Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best light cover plate is probably one of the most overlooked elements in your home lighting setup, but trust me, it can make a huge difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ceiling light cover plates, exploring what makes a good one, and how it can elevate your space. We'll cover everything from the basics to the nitty-gritty details, so you can make an informed decision and choose the perfect cover plate for your needs. Number 5. Traditional PVC Ceiling Medallion. This ceiling medallion features a striking design. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any space. Made from thermoformed PVC, it's lightweight and built to last. It's also incredibly easy to install, saving you time and effort. With a 13-inch outside diameter and a 3.5-inch inside diameter, it fits canopies up to 7.5 inches. The projection is 1.25 inches. This medallion is suitable for both interior and exterior use. It's a low-maintenance solution that you can enjoy for years. Every design is available in multiple sizes and finishes. You can choose the perfect one to match your style and needs. What we like. This ceiling medallion boasts a traditional design, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Made from durable PVC, it's built to last and easy to install. If you're looking to elevate your room with a classic, long-lasting design, you should consider this. What people say. Lightweight, nice design, and the color we were looking for. Easy to install and better priced than big box store. Added a nice finishing touch to the mounting of our new light fixture. Great plate for what I needed. Large size, looks really nice on the ceiling. The material is plastic but it looks like molding. Easy to install use. Good quality for a ceiling medallion. It's lightweight and a bit flimsy. It worked well with my new bathroom fixture exhaust fan. Easy install. My fixture holds it against ceiling pretty well. I recommend caulking seam edge to ceiling for flush look. Number 4. ZOOSSI 4.1-inch Black Canopy Kit. This ceiling canopy kit comes with all the necessary mounting hardware and an easy-to-follow installation manual. The screws on the crossbar are designed to stay stable, making it easy to secure in the electrical box. The kit can handle a maximum load of 22 pounds, thanks to its 2 mounting points. This makes it very strong and reliable for hanging chandeliers and other light fixtures. This versatile kit can be used for various lighting applications. It's perfect for indoor lights, such as pendant lights with cords, and plug-in ceiling lights. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant iron, this kit is built to last. The coat finish adds to its durability, making it a great choice for farmhouse-style pendants. With its smooth surface and matte black finish, this canopy kit offers a clean, artistic look. Its minimalist design complements any style of plug-in pendant light and home decor. What we like. This kit offers easy installation with all the necessary hardware included. It has a super load capacity, ensuring your lights are securely mounted. If you are looking for a modern and clean look with a strong and reliable mount, you should consider this. What people say. The cover plate is a perfect fit and looks great. The product is exactly what I needed to cover the hole. It was easy to install. Number 3. BNP Lamp 514 Steel Ceiling Light Kit. This is a modern ceiling light kit from BNP Lamp. It's designed to provide a sleek and contemporary look for any space. The kit includes everything you need for easy installation. The canopy is made of durable steel and measures 514 inches in diameter. It's finished in white, offering a clean and versatile aesthetic. This part will mount directly to your ceiling. The center hole is designed for easy mounting. The bar holes are 2-3-4 inches center to center. This ensures a secure and stable connection for your light fixture. The kit comes with a 4-inch offset crossbar, ground screw, and ground wire. It also includes cord grip bushing, screws, and acorn cap nuts. It has everything needed for a complete installation. With all the necessary hardware included, installing this ceiling light kit is straightforward. The included components ensure a safe and secure setup. You'll have your new light fixture up in no time. What we like. This canopy kit features a durable steel canopy and comes with all necessary hardware. Its white finish blends seamlessly with most ceilings. If you are looking for a simple, clean, and complete solution, you should consider this. What people say. They're very nice quality and look great. This was plenty big to hide a 4-inch square box. I really like the thin profile. All the necessary parts were included as pictured in the description. This one we purchased on Amazon was perfect, and couldn't be happier. Now that I know where to find it, I'll be back to order it again if I need to cover another hole from an old fixture or light. Number 2. Garvin Industries 5-inch ceiling blank-up covers. Are you looking for a clean and professional look for your ceiling? These blank-up covers from Garvin Industries are the perfect solution. They are designed to cover up unsightly holes and imperfections. These covers have a 5-inch diameter, making them suitable for various applications. It's the ideal size for most standard ceiling fixtures and openings. They provide a seamless finish. The 1/4-inch edge taper provides a smooth transition. This design ensures a flush and professional appearance. It blends seamlessly with your ceiling. Installation is quick and easy. Simply insert them into the opening. They are a simple and effective way to improve the look of any ceiling. Trust in the quality of Garvin Industries. These covers are made to last and provide a clean, finished look. They are a reliable choice for any project. What we like. This blank-up cover is designed to cover unused ceiling openings. It has a 5-inch diameter and a clean white finish. If you need a simple and effective solution to cover up an unused opening, you should consider this. What people say. Did the job. Needed to cover a hole from a chandelier we had to remove. The screw holes didn't match exactly, so we only used one screw. But it works. It works came with screws. Easy to order with plenty of detail to make sure it would work for our needs. Number 1. ECUDIS Black Steel Canopy Kit for Pendant Lighting. Introducing the ECUDIS Canopy Kit, a sleek and modern solution for your ceiling lights. This kit is designed to enhance the look of your existing or new pendant lights. The canopy measures 5/1/8 inches, making it suitable for various chandelier styles. Its design is clean and simple, blending seamlessly with any decor. Made from high-quality iron, this canopy kit is built to last. The finish coat provides long-lasting durability and rust resistance, ensuring it stays looking great. The kit includes all necessary mounting hardware and an easy-to-follow installation manual. This makes it ideal for DIY projects, allowing you to quickly and easily update your lighting. The package includes a black canopy, crossbar, cord grip bushing, mounting screws, threaded rod, and acorn cap nuts. Everything you need is included for a hassle-free installation. Whether you're replacing an old canopy or upgrading a new fixture, this kit is the perfect solution. It offers a simple way to refresh the look of your ceiling lights. What we like. This kit features a modern design and is easy to install. Made from durable iron, it's built to last. If you are looking for a sleek, modern look with easy installation, you should consider this. What people say. It saved us a bunch of money and our lights look great. Very secure and seamless. Worked perfect for what we needed to replace with our other entry light. This canopy cover plus an angled adapter bar solved the issue for me. I made the electrical connections and ran the wires through the hollow portion of the little adapter, which screwed right into the center of this canopy and neatly covers our ceiling's electrical box and wires. Works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.